Hello, and welcome back to Home and Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the Airmsen Grind and Brew Coffee Maker, a single-serve machine that promises barista-quality coffee at home. Let's explore its features and see if it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. If you find this product appealing, it is available for purchase at the most competitive price through the link provided in the description. Thank you for your consideration. This 1000-watt coffee maker is a 3-in-1 powerhouse, combining grinding and brewing for ultimate versatility. It's compatible with K-cup pods, ground coffee, and whole beans, thanks to its 5-setting blade grinder. From beans to cup in just 1.5 minutes, it balances fresh grind flavor with pod convenience. With 5 brew sizes ranging from 6 to 14 ounces and a 50-ounce detachable water tank, it's perfect for single cups or back-to-back brewing for families or offices. The precision touchscreen offers real-time status updates and temperature control between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, while the 5-stage grind adjustment lets you customize from coarse to fine. At just 6.3 by 11.8 by 11.3 inches, this machine's compact footprint is ideal for small kitchens. It features hidden accessory storage, a cord wrap, and anti-slip rubber feet for a clutter-free counter. The matte black finish and LED workflow indicators add a premium, modern touch. Safety is top-notch with dual protection alerts for overheating and low water, plus a self-clean function with a descaling reminder. The removable drip tray is dishwasher safe, making maintenance a breeze. Want perfect iced coffee? Brew a double-strength shot with the Airmsen, pour over ice, and customize with milk or sweetener for a refreshing treat. For cleaner coffee, use filter paper with the 120 mesh bean box filter to avoid sediment. Priced competitively, FDA certified, and packed with pro-grade features, the Airmsen Grind and Brew is a standout for coffee lovers. Its energy-saving auto shut-off and versatile brewing options make it a must-have. That's our take on the Airmsen Grind and Brew Coffee Maker. Have you tried it? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Home and Kitchen for more reviews. Until next time, happy brewing!